Today my topic is simple interest. So first of all, I will tell you the difference between simple and compound interest. We should know that what is interest in Western system when you lend or borrow money someone. So they will charge extra, or if you lend money someone, they will give you some extra amount. You can say profit. So this is called interest. So first thing that you should know, interest is haram, but as this is our syllabus topic, so we should learn about it. We have to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, we will discuss the difference between simple and compound interest. Okay. So let's suppose there are two banks, Bank A and Bank B. Bank A says that we give 10% simple interest. So what does it means? It means if we are investing amount, let's suppose $1,000. Today, if someone is investing $1,000, so they will give you 10%. You can say simple interest is for 1 year. So after 1 year, they will give you extra $100. That means like 10% of 1,000 is equal to 100. So it means that they will give you $100 extra per year. So at the end of year 1, you will have $1,100. So year 2, 10% will be added, and your after the end of the year 2, your amount will be 1,200. And now in third year, they will also give you 10% of your principal amount. You can say investing amount, starting amount. And now at the end of year 3, your balance will be $1,300. So let's suppose if Bank B gives you, Bank B will also give you 10%, but it is saying that we are giving 10% compound interest. So what does compound interest means? Today, if we have $1,000, so after the end of 1 year, it will be 1,100. Year 1. So this is same as of Bank A. Bank A also gives 1,100 after 1 year on the investment of $1,000. Bank B will also give you $1,100 after the investment of $1,000. So what is the difference between Bank A and Bank B? Bank A will give you 10% on the starting amount every year. That you can say that is your principal amount. But Bank B, that is giving you compound interest, will give you 10% on, you can say, on your balance every year. Like year 1, your balance is 1,100. Now Bank B will calculate 10% of 1,100. That will be 110. and it will give you $110 uh, in year 1, and now your total amount will be 1210 in year 2, sorry. Okay, now this is your final amount, you can say your remaining balance at the end of year 2. So in year 3 now they will find 10% of 1210, that is your balance at the end of the year 2. They will calculate it and it will be 10% of 1210 is 121. So now it will add $121 in year 3, and that will be your final balance at the end of year 3. So this is the difference between simple and compound interest, that in simple interest your, you can say, interest will be on the starting amount, you can say investing amount, your total investment, your principal amount. But in compound interest, bank will give you 10% on your final bank balance after every year. So this is the difference between simple and compound interest. So let's solve some past paper questions of simple interest. Okay, look at this question number 9. Jan invests $800 at a rate of 3% per year simple interest. Calculate the value of her investment at the end of 4 years. So first of all, let me tell you the formula of simple interest. Interest is equal to PRT over 100. P means principal amount, and R is equal to rate, and T is equal to time. Okay, so let's solve this question. Here principal amount is $800 and your rate is 3 and time is 4 years. So one thing you have to remember, that percentage of interest is always for 1 year, that is per year. You can see that 3% per year, so that will always be for 1 year. So here we have, this is the percentage of 1 year, we have to find the interest of 4 years. So calculate the value of our investment at the end of 4 years. Okay, first of all we have to find interest. Principal is, in place of P you will put 800, in place of R 3, in place of T 4 over 100 as it is. So if you will find it, you will calculate, that will be 96. So this is your interest at the end of 4 years. What the question is asking, calculate the value of her investment. Value means you have to add the total, you can say starting value, starting investment, initial, you can say deposit or principal amount. So you for to find the value, you have to add you can say interest into the principal amount. So now the value will be 800 plus 96, that will be 896. So this is our final answer. So one thing that you have to memorize, that if the question is asking to find the just interest, it means you have to find the interest just. But the question, if the question is asking to find the total value, total balance after 4 years, after 5 years, then we have to add that interest into the principal amount. Okay, so next question. Okay, look at question number 14. $2,600. This is also a question of simple interest. That's why I am doing this question. $2,600 is invested for 5 years at a rate of 4% per year, simple interest. Calculate the total interest at the end of 5 years. So principal amount is 2,600 and your time is 5 years and rate is 4. So calculate total interest. Now look at this. In this question, the question is asking to find the interest, not the total value. So just interest is equal to P into R into T over 100. Okay. P R T over 100. So you will find the answer, you will multiply it and you will get your answer, that is $520. Okay. So let's do next question. Question number 17. Okay, this is also a question of simple interest. So Prince Charming invests $3,000 for 5 years at a rate of 4% per year in interest, simple interest. Calculate the total interest he will receive. Again, in this question is asking to find just interest, not the value after 5 years. So simple interest is equal to P into R into T over 100. P principal amount is 3,000. Your time is 5. Rate is 4. So 3,000 into 5 into 4 over 100. So if you will multiply it, you will get 600. So 600 is the total interest that he will receive after 5 years. Okay. Okay, question number 20. Investment amount is, principal amount is 800 here and rate is 3. After 6 years, time is 6. So calculate total amount. Now again in this question is asking to find total amount, not the interest. Total amount, total value. It means that in these type of questions you have to add the interest in principal amount at the end of the solution. So first of all you will find the interest P into R into T over 100. That is 800 multiply 3 multiply 6 over 100, and that is 144. Okay, so total amount, for total amount, principal plus interest. Principal is 800, interest is 144. Total value, total amount that he will receive after 6 years will be 944. So you have to read the question very carefully, that what the question is asking. If the question is asking to find the total amount, total value, or just interest. So if it is asking to find the total amount or value, then you have to add principal and interest. The interest that you will find and principal will be given in the question. Okay. $26. Okay, here principal amount is 600 at the rate of 2% means rate is 2 and 8 years means time is equal to 8. Calculate the interest earns in 8 years. It means just we have to find the interest. Interest is equal to P into R into T over 100. Principal is 600. Rate, time over 100. If you will multiply it, you will get 96. So we have to make sure that what question is asking to find just interest, so that will be your final answer. Okay, question number 28. In this question, 750 is principal amount, rate is equal to 2.5 means you can say 5 by 2 or 2.5, and time is equal to 5. Total amount, the question is asking to find that amount. Again, amount means that in principal plus interest. First of all, find interest, PRT over 100, 750 multiply by, you can also write 2.5 multiply by 5 over 100. So answer will be 93.75. So total amount means principal plus interest. So that will be $843.75. So let's do next question, that is 29. In this question, investment amount means you can say principal amount is 750, time is 8, rate is 2% per year simple interest. So it will be given in the question that this is a question of simple or compound interest. So you can see this is a question of simple interest. Calculate the interest he receives. Interest, it means just we have to find interest by using the formula PRT over 100. P R and T over 100 is equal to, you can cut down these zeros and your final answer will be 120. So in this question was asking just to find the interest, so we will just write the answer of interest. Okay, in question number 30, principal amount is 500, rate is 5% per year, and time is 3 years. Calculate the interest. So interest, just we will find the interest by PRT over 100, P 500, R T over 100. So by multiplying 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 is 75. So again I am repeating that make sure what the question is asking to find, if it is asking to find interest or total amount or total value. So you have to make sure at the end. So in this question was asking just to find the interest, so we will write the answer of interest as it is. If the question is asking to find the total amount or total value, then don't forget to add principal and interest. So that's it. I hope you have understand that topic. If you like it, please share it with your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.